The Indian Constitution is not just a document, it is a symbol of India's journey towards becoming a modern and democratic nation. It was the culmination of years of struggle and sacrifices by people from all walks of life. India gained independence from British rule on 15 August 1947. The task of drafting a new constitution for independent India was entrusted to a Constituent Assembly. The Constituent Assembly was made up of 299 members, including lawyers, politicians, and representatives of different communities and religions. The members of the Constituent Assembly debated and discussed various issues related to the new constitution. There were disagreements and differences of opinion, but the members were determined to create a constitution that would be fair and just to all. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, the chairman of the drafting committee, played a crucial role in the making of the Indian Constitution. He worked tirelessly to ensure that the Constitution would be inclusive and would safeguard the rights of all citizens. Finally, on 26 January 1950, the Indian Constitution was signed into law. It was a historic moment for India as it marked the beginning of a new era of democracy, equality, and justice. The Indian Constitution is a living document that has evolved over the years. It has provided a framework for the development and progress of India as a nation. The Indian Constitution is a testament to the spirit of India and its people. It represents the ideals of freedom, equality, and justice that we all cherish.